Hi guys, let's give us some light here. Ooh. We're out bushwalking at night. Trying to find some wildlife. Or it might find me. Let's go up here, have a look. Gotta be quiet. Can't see anything. Keep on moving. They're definitely watching me. Let's have a look at the moon. Oh, looks lovely tonight. The moonlight is lighting up all the ground. Now, we usually got roos out here too, but the night that I want to catch something, they're all somewhere else. Alright, let's go back this way. So this is the Aussie bush at night. It's lovely. It smells fresh. It's quiet. And I'd rather do this than go to a disco where all the boogiemans hang out. Boogeyman. I used to think he hid behind walls and stuff, corners. I think the boogeyman is the guy that goes to the nightclubs and he boogies on the dance floor and then he selects his target, some unsuspecting lovely lady, and yeah, you all know what the boogeyman does to people. You don't want to come across the boogeyman. I did see a wombat when I came down here the other week. Came up into these bushes. Huh? Can't hear anything. Tree, see? A tree. Ooh. Well, looks like they all don't want to come and say hello tonight, guys, so never mind. I'll make my way back. To the back of the property. I'm on the road again. Now I've got these barriers so the roos don't jump out in front of you when you're driving your car. Anyone in Australia that has encountered one of those wouldn't want to do it again. I found a dead fox the other day. Pushed him off the road with a stick. I think it was the one that lived at my sister's property. Well, he got hit by a car. I've seen quite a lot of foxes running around across the road this winter. And now that people aren't eating and throwing away all their scraps, a lot more wildlife is coming out for dinner. We haven't left them any. So, yeah, they're getting hungry. I can hear a car. Here it comes. Where's the property, eh? See, this is the boogeyman coming. Some guy in a car. I'd be more worried about the car being a boogeyman than a boogeyman jumping out of the bush. But here it is. Boogeyman's not going to get me. Maybe I'm the boogeyman, huh? Huh? Well, there goes the boogeyman. Well, everyone, sorry, no wildlife tonight. Nothing at all. Oh well, have a great night, guys. Bye.